Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free Microsoft certification week 2025. So 100% free Microsoft certification week 2025 we can get AI cloud and security training and free voucher. So start your journey towards becoming Microsoft certified with the 100% free Microsoft Certification Week program by Fastlane and get access to expert lead training, hands-on lab, and certification preparation, plus a chance to earn a free voucher after the completion. So what you will learn? So AI business solutions, cloud computing, real world hands-on, and certification exam, and practical and job ready tech skills. So what we'll get 100% free 5 days virtual training, hands-on lab, limited seats, and certification guidance from the expert, opportunity to get a free exam voucher. So certification will include the cloud, AI platform, and security, AI business solutions, and new sales certification week. Available in Asia, EMEA, and Americas. So, who should join? IT professional and engineers, developers and data analysts, business function consultant, and beginners entering AI cloud. So, important is that free voucher is not granted and must attend the session and meet the eligibility criteria. Then only you will get a free voucher. So, why join? Learn from the Microsoft certified trainer, gain globally recognized certification, boost your career in AI, cloud, and computing, stay ahead in the tech industry, and don't miss out and register now before seat fill up. So, this is a certification course catalog. So, here you will get the AI 102, AI 104, 204, like that, all the courses you will get here. And if you go inside of this, there is a 10 hours duration core you have to enroll, and duration is 10 hours, label and self placed, and course other things are there. Now next is the Asia certification week, and this is the link. I will provide you the link on the description. So here you will get a course is free, and this Monday, April 13 8 a.m. to Friday 17 5 p.m. India Standard Time. So accelerate your AI and cloud expertise with the Microsoft Certification Week. So all the details you will get. So who can attend? The IT professionals, solution architects, security practitioners, and developers, and data professionals. So certification course, these are the course. So AZ 104, this is the famous course, 204, 305, and DP 300, DP 600. And this is for the cloud and AI platform, and this is for the security. So AZ 500, SC 100, and security related all the courses. And why will attend? So all the details are there. Hands-on lab and seat. Save your seat. Register today to join for the live session from April 13 to 17 2026. So all the details you will get there. Now I am clicking on register now. So let me go. Okay, so let me open this link in another browser. So what you will get? Here you will get sign in to register for free. So when you will click this, you have to provide the professional email address. Okay, sign in with the professional email address, and you don't have already not registered, then you go through the create one, and you provide the your email address and go to the next. And you can try with the Zoho mail also. Now when I click the register now, this come to this is the first lane and check-in and partnership with the Microsoft, and other details are there. And when you'll click on the register, and before that I'm just showing you all the details, data professional who attend. So there's a 5 days training, all the details you will get. Now So voucher eligibility criteria is there. Voucher shall be issued only if you participant attend 4 days out of 5 days. Means you have to minimum attend the 4 days. So all the details are there. Now, if you click on the register now, so how it works? Choose your certification path and submit your registration request, and wait for the confirmation of the registration via email. Attend it accelerated training session each day. Complete lab exercise self-study approximately 1 hour per day per certification, and redeem your official Microsoft achievement code to receive your certificate of completion and schedule your exam. So choose your certification path and register now. So you fill up your form, give all the details, and choose your session. Just like I'm selecting 104. There is a DP 300, DP 600 or SC 100, and here you go for AI 104. Then just click read and click this one, and finally click on the register now. When you will click on the register now, you will get a mail regarding that you have completed this one. So all the details are there. So in this video we have learned how to get 100% free Microsoft certification week 2026. This is for the AI, cloud, and security. Free voucher you will get after completion. This one at least you have to attend uh, 4 days out of 5 days. So disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.